guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is NIO, or ticker symbol NIO. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame. That allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in and predict our further analysis, okay? So currently we're down 2% for the morning, and our volume is at 8 million. So usually we have a lot more volume with NIO. But as of right now, 8 million is still great. It's still above that 150,000 threshold that we like to see, you guys. Anything below that 150,000, we don't want to trade, okay? It'll be such a slow moving stock that you don't want to be involved in that, okay? All right, so let me go over our lines and graphs real quick, and then we'll get into more where we're at. So this top line is our major resistance line or support line. You can see previously it was working as a resistance back here. We got rejected multiple times back here. We had trouble breaking past this area as well again until we had a breakout. We came up. What used to work as resistance works as a support now. So you can see that we started bouncing around at this level until we broke back underneath. And we tried to create a breakout again, ultimately got rejected and pushed us all the way down to our major support line down here, which can be easily tested as well because we just look forward and you can see we bounced here, here, and here about 4 times, okay, all together. And we look left, we can see we had resistance underneath before, so these are heavily tested areas, you guys, and we have to respect them, all right? So let's get into where we're at currently. So ever since this breakout, you guys, we've been nothing but creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, testing this resistance, again, this minor resistance, created this breakout, came up, came back down, retested this level, and now created this higher low again. So we have this beautiful upward trend, you guys. You can see that we are above the trend line. The R side does look a little bit overextended. However, you guys, you can see where we're currently at. We just broke past the 46-cent resistance. Oh, actually, no, we're still right under it. Let me put a line there so that way you guys can see that a little bit more clear. So all this is just a minor resistance that we have to keep an eye out for. I'm going to place that here. That's actually going to be a little bit higher than that right there. Yep, right there. All right, so what we're looking for is just to break past the 46-cent area. So more than likely, because it did pull back down just a little bit just to retest. Basically, it's that 50% retracement that we would like to see. However, you guys, we have to be very precautious. So if you were to get in for a scalp trade or a day trade, I would probably have your stop loss under the $45 flat area, and then your entry right at the 43. And if you were to get tagged in, obviously you would want your first target to be back up here at the previous pivot at the $55 area, okay? You can also apply this for a long-term trade or a swing trade. However, you guys, we have to be precautious because if we do get rejected in this area, more than likely we'll pull back down to our level of support, back down at the $41 area, okay? And that'd be the more safer entry. However, with this being in this beautiful upward trend, I think it'll continue its momentum. However, like I said, if you're going to run a marathon, you're more than likely going to want to take a break before continuing your marathon. So we have to be precautious as for that. But everything else checks off, you guys. We're above the trend line. We have great volume. However, the thing is the placement of where we're at this resistance level. So, but I don't think we should have any issue breaking past that. So if you were to get in, let's just be precautious. The other alternative you guys could do is wait till we break past this resistance area at the 46 for it to come up, come back down and retest it as a support level, and then the 46.54 or 32 could be a great buying opportunity as well. Have your stop loss on the opposite side, so if we do break back below, you'll be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry. Okay, so I like to make these videos really short and sweet, you guys. If I helped you in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. Really allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. So if you enjoy that, please hit that button for me. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.